Today's a day of chores. It's Sunday, and I'm on my way to donate a box and also fill up my water bottles. So after that, I think I'm going to, I need to go to Walmart, but I think I'm going to go to another nearby town, and I'm going to go to Barnes & Noble. I'm going to spend some time there, go get some coffee, and I'm looking for a specific nature drawing book, and I started kind of doing some nature journaling, and so I want to look at the books and see what they have. I ordered one on Amazon that I know that I want more than anything, so that one will be here in a few days, but I'm gonna see what Barnes & Noble has. So I'm gonna go spend the day there and have maybe some coffee and some tea. But right now, I've got to go do a few chores.
Have a good day.
Thank you. Barnes & Noble. Used to be packed, the parking lot. Nobody buys books anymore. So I'm going to go to Walmart. Maybe I should stop it on the border. I'm going to go to this Walmart over here in this town nearby. I just need a few things, and I thought while I'm here, I'll go ahead and stop at this one. Okay, I got back from Walmart. This is my Walmart haul, which is not very much. I just needed a few things, but mostly needed coffee, so I wanted to go to Walmart to get that because it's pretty cheap. So I got some blueberries, frozen blueberries, and I've tried their spicy black bean burgers. They were like $6.57 or something. These were only $3 something. Roasted garlic and quinoa. And I'm gonna have a salad this week. And I love these drinks. This organic probiotic. It has maple syrup, lemon, and cayenne pepper. And you can taste the cayenne. It's kind of spicy, so it's really good. Coffee, some white nectarines, some bananas, a Texas cantaloupe, and a couple of bell peppers. And that is it. And so I'm going to put this in the freezer and this in the refrigerator, because I have, and that in the freezer, because I have about a 30-minute drive back home. So that's great to have the truck camper. Go to the store in the truck camper, and then you can just put it in the freezer. And the salad. And the rest I will just put up. I'll put these in there too. So I have one more stop. I'm going to stop at the fabric store and look to get one of those muffs or a microphone buffer, or some call them a dead cat. but I'm gonna see if I can find that to help with the wind noise. And let me show you something else. So I went to Barnes & Noble and was looking for nature journaling books, more like a how-to, but they really didn't have anything. So I do have a book coming from Amazon. Probably be here Wednesday, but of course I had to get this magazine. I love magazines. So the Grand Canyon, this is National Parks. The Grand Canyon's featured this month. And Texas Parks and Wildlife. Of course, y'all know I love Texas parks, state parks. So this one is, I think this is, Gardner State Park is the highlight this month. So look forward to that. And then I bought this is really bad lighting. This book, My First Summer in the Sierra by John Muir. And I did get a watercolor book. I haven't done watercolors in about 35 years, and I finished one this morning, which I'll show you that here in a minute after I show you the other books that I got. So just flipping through here, I learned that less is more, and I thought I would do, because I did a tree and my sketching part was too much, so it should have been less. So I'm going to learn a little bit about that here. And then I have a friend that loves this author, and if I don't like the book, then I will just pass this book on. But this is Annie Dillard's, but this is Narrative Essays, Old and New. So it's taken little bits and pieces from all of her other books. So I started reading it and it seemed pretty good. So like I said, if I can't get into this book or whatever, or I decide I don't like it, then I can pass it on. And I know exactly who can use this book. So that's all I got at Barnes & Noble. And let me show you my watercolor that I did this morning. Dated it today? No, yesterday. So that's my first watercolor in about 35 years. So anyway, there's a new page. Tomorrow is another day. There's On the Border. There are a few people that might watch my channel that know the significance of On the Border. And that's just for an inside joke. Oh, look at that! Boondocker! Anyway, let's get on the road. Just one more stop for the day. See if I can find a dead cat. If I find it, I'll show you. I'll probably do a video. I think it was from Explorer Steve. And I will verify that and add it to the link, to the description below. But it's putting a muffler, I guess, on your microphone. I go to the fabric shop today. I said earlier that I was going to make one of those microphone muffs for out in the wind. So I laid these 4 things on the counter. And the lady, I guess, is really curious. She's like, "What are you going to make?" And my response to her, of course, is, what am I going to make? I'm going to make a dead cat. Of course, I had to explain that, but I just thought it was funny. We had a big conversation about these 4 items. So I'm going to use this mounting tape and this, and I just thought these were cool. I wanted to get me a brown bracelet, and that's for a pair of shorts. So, but anyway, The lady was curious of what I was going to make with these 4 items. It's coming down. See if I can do this. Boy, it's way up there. Oh, great. It's gonna die. Come back over here. Come back over here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay. Come on, come on, come on, come on.